Hello all, welcome to the day 11 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. The Great Stupa at Sanchi is one of the oldest stone structures in India and an important monument of Indian architecture. It was originally commissioned by the Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BC. Its nucleus was a simple hemispherical brick structure built over the relics of Buddha. It is a perfect example of combination of solid figures, a big hemispherical dome with a cuboidal structure mounted on it. First question, calculate the volume of the hemispherical dome if the height of the dome is 21 meter. The volume of the hemispherical dome is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here r is not given, but the height of the dome is given. For a hemispherical structure, the height and the radius are same. So this 21 also refers to the radius. 2 by 3 times 22 by 7 times 21 times 21 times 21. On calculating this, we get 19,404 cubic meter. Answer is A. Question 2. The formula to find the volume of the sphere is B. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Question 3. The cloth required to cover the hemispherical dome if the radius of the base is 14 meter. The radius of the hemispherical dome is 14 meter. So CSA is 2 pi r square 2 times 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, which gives us 1232 meter square. The answer is B. Fourth question, the total surface area of the combined figure, that is the hemispherical dome with radius 14 meter and cuboidal shaped top with dimensions 8 meter, 6 meter, 4 meter is. So we have a hemispherical portion and a cuboidal portion on top. To get the combined surface area, we have to consider the CSA of the hemispherical dome minus the portion where the cuboidal shaped top is in contact with the hemispherical dome. That is the area of base of cuboid plus the CSA of cuboid. The CSA of hemispherical dome has been already calculated in question 3, which is 1232 minus area of the base of the cuboid is L times B plus CSA of cuboid is 2 times BH plus 2 times HL plus 2 times LB. On simplifying this portion, we get 2BH plus 2HL plus 1LB. 1232 plus 2 times B is 6 and H is 4 plus 2 times 4 into H is 4 and L is 8 plus L is 8 and B is 6, which gives us 1232 plus 48 plus 64 plus 48, which is 1392 meters square, and the answer is C. Question 5. The volume of the cuboidal shaped top is with dimensions mentioned in the question 4. Volume of the cuboidal shape is L into B into H. L is 8, B is 6, and H is 4, which gives us 192 meter cube. And the answer is D. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Math with Meenakshi, for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.